Aloha everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I'm from the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of May. How has everybody been? I hope everybody's been well. I know it's been a long time since my last cash stuffing video, but if you follow me on Instagram, I did mention last week that I was off of YouTube for a little bit because I wanted to focus on studying, because last week was finals week for school and I just wanted to have that time to study and not have to worry about doing anything else. So finals are over. My last of it was last week Friday, and this week I pretty much had a free week and did whatever I wanted to do, kind of take a breather, have some time for myself before I start working pretty much almost full time again. So which actually starts tomorrow for me. It's the weekend, but I'll be working full time through the weekend. So I'm glad that I can finally do a video for you guys today. And you know, of course I have not been working as much for the last couple of weeks because I wanted to focus on school. So this portion of the paycheck for today is a lot smaller compared to other portions that I've done in the past. But you know, we just have to do what we can, and you know, not all of my categories will be filled up today, but nonetheless, when saving, every little bit counts. So you know, that's just forward progress. Okay, let's see, what else did I want to say? Oh yeah, I do want to thank everybody for, you know, entering and commenting on my last giveaway. You know, it ended up being such a good turnout, and I'm so excited that everybody has different goals for themselves, as you know, for budgeting, and I hope all of you attain your goal by the end of the year. And you know, just good luck and keep at it and be consistent, and we're all in this together. So yeah, thank you so much for entering my giveaway, and congratulations to our winner. The winner for the giveaway is Life as Taylan. That's what she is on YouTube. And yeah, her package is on her way to her. So thank you so much everyone for entering into my first giveaway, and I'm sure I'll have more as, you know, time goes on. I'll have more giveaways, so we can look forward to that. But today we will be stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of May, and today we will be stuffing $171. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we will count out the money. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. And then I do have $1 that's left over in my wallet, so that would be the extra $1. Okay, and then here's the lonely $1 from my wallet. So altogether we have $171. So let's go ahead and put it in my cash tray. And if you notice, I finally got a new cash tray. This one is so cute. It's pink, and then I just put my little label on it. So I'm happy that I finally got a cash tray. All right. And then if you're wondering, lately I've been really into making matcha lattes. So that's what I have for my drink today. It's not coffee. So this matcha latte is with oat milk, so it's super yummy. Okay, so we have all my cash. And then, before I forget, as usual, here's my little breakdown for the portion of my May paycheck, number 2. Okay, so we are going to start with first binder, which is my weekly expenses binder. So first envelope is for myself, so I'm going to give myself $10. So we have nothing in this envelope, so altogether it's going to be $10. Okay, and then for bills, I'm going to put in $30. Alright. Okay, so let's count out all together for bills. We have 100, 200, 3, 4, 450, 470, 490, 500, and 510. So $510 for bills. All right. Oops. All right. And then next for travel, I'm gonna put in $15, 10, and a 5. Alright, so altogether for travel we have 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. So $175 for travel. And then afterwards I will go in and, update my trackers. Okay, so for household, household won't be getting anything this time. And Lucy and Dash, they still have $10 left, but nothing's gonna go to them this week. Okay, so that's it for my weekly binder. Alright. Okay, next is my savings binder. And emergency will be getting $10. Okay, so altogether for emergency, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110. Okay, 110 for emergency. And then vacation will be getting $15, 10 and a 5. Okay, so altogether, vacation has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135. So 135 for vacation. Alright, and then gifts won't be getting anything this time, but gifts does have $60. And then holidays won't be getting anything as well, and holidays does have $60 as well. And future won't be getting anything, and future has $70. Okay, and that does it for my savings binder. And then lastly, we have my to-go binder. So we have golf. Golf won't be getting anything this time. Groceries, I do have $10 left over, and I will be putting in $40. So let's see, 20, Okay, so 20, 40, and 50. $50 for groceries. Okay. Beauty won't be getting anything. Eating out won't be getting anything. So that's it for my to-go binder. Now I do have some monies left over, so that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. So this is going to go towards my 100 envelope challenge, and I will be stuffing numbers 25 and 26. All right. So we have 25 and 26. So for 25, we have 20 and a 5. Okay, so that's 25. And then for 26, we have 10, 20, 25, and 26. Alright, so that's our 2 envelopes for this week. Okay, so we're slowly making progress. So let's see, 25 and 26 goes right here. Alright, so that does it for our 100 envelope challenge. And yeah, that's it for all of my cash stuffing. And as I said, this one is a little bit smaller than usual, but you know, it's just because I haven't been working as much. But in the coming weeks, I'll be putting in more hours for work, so we'll be able to stuff a little bit more next time. Let's see, what else did I want to talk about? Yes, let me know in the comments what other content you want to see, if you want to keep seeing cash stuffing videos, or anything else that maybe you might want to see. Maybe like, how do I make these cash envelopes? I could make a video on that. I know someone in the comments a few videos back was interested in how I make these envelopes, but if you guys are interested, let me know. Maybe that can be another idea, but let me know some ideas of what you want to know if you have any questions. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate every one of you. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.